Welcome to your step-by-step guide on setting up the Decibel Cable Alarm Lock. Today, we'll cover everything from initial unboxing to operational tips to keep your valuables secure. Inside your box, you'll find a Decibel alarm unit, a cable, a Velcro strap for cable management, and 2 keys. Please note, a 9-volt battery and mounting hardware are needed, but not included in the package. Don't forget to register your keys with Ideal Security. If you lose your keys, we'll replace your first set free of charge. Simply complete the registration form online. It's linked in the description of this video. Let's set up your Decibel. Start by unlocking and opening the alarm unit. Use a Phillips star-headed screwdriver to remove the screw at the base of the unit. Remove the battery cover and insert a new 9-volt battery. Choosing the right battery affects how often you'll need to replace it. A 9-volt alkaline battery lasts about 6 months, while a 9-volt lithium battery can serve up to 12 months, depending on usage and environmental conditions. Let's take a look at the low battery indicators. When the unit is unlocked and the battery voltage falls below 7.2 volts, the LED will flash yellow for 0.3 seconds, then pause for 1.2 seconds, and this pattern will repeat, alerting you that the battery needs replacement. If the unit is armed and locked, the LED will signal both the armed status and the low battery. Here's how. It flashes red for 0.3 seconds to show it's armed, goes off for 1.2 seconds, then flashes yellow for another 0.3 seconds, indicating a low battery, followed by another 1.2 second pause. This pattern will continue until the battery is replaced. The Decibel alarm features a loud 100 decibel siren and various trigger conditions for enhanced security. The alarm activates if the cable is cut or tampered with, if the unit detects vibrations with the vibration sensor enabled, or if the cover screw is manipulated. To activate the vibration sensor mode, which detects any impacts or shaking, open the housing and locate the switch beneath the battery cover. Toggle it to on for enhanced security in low-risk environments. Secure the cover back in place once done. To test your Decibel and ensure it's functioning properly, you can simulate an alarm condition. Lock the unit with the key without inserting the cable. After a 5-second delay, the alarm will sound, confirming that the system is operational. If you need to replace the cable, follow these steps. Open the alarm unit housing to access the internal components. Locate the battery compartment and remove the 9-volt battery. With the housing still open, turn the key to the locked position to release the initial segment of the cable. Use a number 0 x 50 mm Phillips or star-headed screwdriver to loosen the screw in the bottom right corner inside the housing, allowing the latch to rotate upwards. This action frees the cable for removal. Detach the old cable's 3 prongs from their plastic housing and insert the new cable's prongs, ensuring they snap securely to place. Position the new cable in the housing, pushing it firmly into place to ensure it's properly seated. Realign the latch so it is perpendicular to the cable and retighten the screw to secure it. Switch the key back to the unlocked position to prepare the unit for operation. Then, reinstall the battery and put the housing back together. Depending on your installation needs, you can mount the Decibel on a wall or secure it to a pole. To arm the alarm, insert the cable and turn the key clockwise. A red LED will flash, indicating the alarm is set. To disarm, simply turn the key counterclockwise. Your Decibel is backed by a 1-year warranty and our commitment to your satisfaction. Should you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact our support team. Thank you for choosing Decibel.